This is why America needs the 28th Amendment. Between unanswered complaints and constitutional crises, America has no enforceable accountability mechanism. The 28th Amendment fills the missing middle. In the low ground, at the local and state level, citizens are directed through complaints, internal affairs, supervisors, prosecutors, licensing bodies, courts, and administrative reviews. But when each layer sends responsibility back to the same system, documented evidence can exist without producing timely, independent constitutional review. The result is not an absence of rules. It is an accountability gap between the written law and the machinery responsible for enforcing those laws. The constitutional high ground. Article 2, Section 4 provides for the removal of the President, Vice President, and federal civil officers through impeachment and conviction for treason, bribery, or other high crimes and misdemeanors. Article 5 provides for the lawful process for amending Constitution when the government structure itself is incomplete. Those are extraordinary constitutional remedy. Neither supplies an immediate, neutral, enforceable process for repeated constitutional failures arising in ordinary local and state encounters. The founding warning. The Declaration of Independence states that whenever any form of government becomes destructive of these ends, it is the right of the people to alter or to abolish it and to institute new government. It also states, but when a long train of abuses and usurpations pursuing invariably the same object evinces a design to reduce them under absolute despotism, it is their right, it is their duty to throw off such government and to provide new guards for their future security. The Constitution tells us how to remove high officials when misconduct reaches the highest level. It tells us how to amend the Constitution when the government structure is incomplete, but it does not provide an immediate independent accountability process when local and state systems repeatedly refuse to correct documented constitutional violations. The 28th Amendment fills that gap. The missing middle. So we should not have to wait for corruption to become treason, for abuse to become a national crisis, or for an entire system to fail before constitutional accountability actually begins. The purpose of the 28th Amendment is to create the lawful middle ground, independent review, preserved evidence, equal application of the written law, the correction before reoccurring failure becomes constitutional crises. The 28th Amendment does not replace government. It gives government the constitutional mechanism to correct itself before removal, collapse, or extraordinary intervention becomes necessary. Make accountability constitutional. As they say, accountability hurts. If you follow the law, you don't have anything to worry about. So now, police officers, public officials, employees, now you're going to have to cope with it.